hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm very excited to be doing this video because it is something that I have never done or tried before. By the way, I am wearing a shirt, it's just down here. So I recently picked up a bunch of stuff from this store. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. I'm not sure if it's MINISO. I did some reading up on it, and I believe the founders, one was from Japan and one was from China. This is actually my first time trying products that are like totally not American. Like, I've never heard of this MINISO store before. I've never set foot in it. So the first thing that I picked up is this Perfect Skin Makeup Foundation. Although I have to say that this is definitely a primer. It's a brightening kind of purple primer. This was $8.99, so this is probably one of the more expensive things that I bought. It says porcelain skin makeup foundation instantly brightens the skin tone refreshing. Create a nature naked look, even and fit skin. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my fingers and apply to the face. Wow, it is actually really pigmented. Oh wow, oh my. Well, this is definitely brightening. As it's like warming into my skin and kind of sinking in, it doesn't look quite as pale. But if you're looking for like a super brightening effect, wow, that was actually very effective. It was very creamy, but at the same time, like, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky. It actually feels like it has set down to, like, I don't know, like kind of powdery. The next product I have is this BB cushion. I got the shade 02 Natural. The store only had 2 shades in there. I mean, obviously that shade range sucks for everyone. Oh wow, that stinks. I'm just supposed to press in it. Oh god, that smells horrendous. Okay. I feel like it looks okay. I don't think it gave that much coverage. It has a tacky feel, but it doesn't feel like silicone-y or slippy or greasy or anything like that. Like, it actually feels like it's sticking to my skin. Okay, so I did get a concealer. I'm a little bit scared that the concealer is going to be a lot darker than this foundation. This is the Long Wearing Liquid Concealer. Okay, so this is definitely like a peachy, like color correcting shade for me. Feels very creamy and hydrating. This was $5.99. I don't know how much that did. I think it might have color corrected a tiny bit, but it didn't have that much coverage. Okay, so probably the thing that I'm most excited about trying is this setting powder. Queen Collection Loose Powder. It literally is the softest powder that I have ever felt, ever. So I'm gonna use the applicator puff that it came with, just because it came with. Never powder my whole face because I just don't love the way that powder looks on my skin. So I usually just put it in certain areas, but this was so invisible that I felt like I could put it all over my face and have it look fine, and it totally does. So invisible. And this powder was $5.99. Next up is some blush. They had 2 blush shades there. One was like super cool tone and had a lot of purple in it. This one also is kind of cool tone, but it was slightly warmer, so that's the one I picked up. This is in the shade Rose Blossom. You know, I really don't wear cool tone blushes very much, but there is something very fresh about them. I like to put blush kind of across my nose and up on my forehead a little bit, kind of in place of bronzer, honestly. That looks really pretty. It has a really iridescent glow to it without having like obvious shimmer in it. Like it looks very, very pretty and glowy without having that like obvious highlighting effect. Next up is brows. This is really what I am most concerned about because I don't really know about the color. They only had 2 shades. One that was this dark brown and the other that was like straight up gray. This is the So Stylish Korean style triangular eyebrow pencil. So this brow pencil has the triangular tip, which I personally love. 2 of my favorite brow products, the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer and what's that other one that I just got? Oh, and the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna have a really light hand with it because I am afraid of it being too pigmented. I don't know how I feel about this formula. It is very waxy, but at the same time, like very creamy and pigmented. It's not really giving me the cleanest lines. Yeah, this does not look good. And I'm gonna try and fix it a little bit with this NYX Precision Brow Pencil, which I have been really, really liking. I mean, I kind of saved them. I mean, I paid like $3 for this brow pencil, and I would say that I got about a $3 result. Next, we move on to the Pink Panther MINISO Extreme Volume Mascara. Oh Lord. Really sticky and very clumpy, and it makes my lashes look like blunt, if you know what I mean, instead of like soft and feathery. All right guys, maybe there is hope for this final product. This is a lip liner, shade 03 Honey Red. Kind of just gonna rub this all over my lips as a kind of lip stain. I really like the formula actually. That lip liner is $2.99, and I think it actually looks really fresh and pretty, and the color, once you kind of blend it out, looks very wearable. So I guess this is the final look. Looks very much like every other makeup tutorial that I do. There were some interesting products in here that I'm going to continue using. The powder was so invisible and so finely milled. Really, really like that. I'm going to continue using it. The blush is also very pretty. I think I like this kind of cool toned pink, but I really, really, really love the finish of it. It's just really, really iridescent, glowy. I mean, this cushion was okay. I can get the same look with other foundations that I have, so to me, it's like really nothing special. This primer really intrigued me. It was just like so incredibly like pigmented and brightening. I feel like I would use this as a mix-in with my foundations to lighten it up and kind of brighten it up. I mean, everything else I can definitely live without. Anyway, this was really fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. The store was really cute, and I definitely recommend some of these products to you if you have one of these MINISO, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I put out new ones every single week. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.